Today we are unboxing 4 pieces of kit that belong together: a Sony FX30, a DJI Mic Mini, a Siri camera cage built for it, and an RS4 mini gimbal. Let's get into it. First out of the box, the DJI Mic Mini, a tiny transmitter but big sound. This is a wireless lav system that clips on and gets out of your way. The audio quality is genuinely impressive for something small, clear, warm, and with enough range to give you freedom of movement without worrying about dropouts. For interviews, vlogs, or documentary work, this is the kind of tool that makes post-production a lot less painful. Next up, we have the Sony FX30. This is a Sony APS-C cinema line camera, and it punches well above its price point. You're getting 4K 120fps, Cinetone color sign straight out of the box, and a Super 35 sensor that handles low light beautifully. It's compact, it's light, and it's built for creators who want cinematic results without dragging around a full-size rig. Now, this camera has been my daily driver in all of my travels and then my documentary work. The cage might seem like a simple accessory, but the right one changes how you work. This one wraps around the FX30 perfectly, no wobbles, clean fit, with mounting points on every side for your lights, monitors, microphones, and follow focus gear. It keeps your ports accessible and adds extra layer of protection during a run and gun shoot. Solid build, thoughtful design.
Of you, who you want me to be.
And finally, we have the DJI RS4 mini gimbal. I was using the RS3 before, but then I decided to upgrade. The RS4 mini is lightweight but handles the FX30 rig with ease. Stabilization is smooth, setup is fast, and the motor strength is more than enough for this kind of build. Whether you're doing, say, a slow walk or a talk or a dynamic tracking shot, this gimbal keeps your footage looking intentional. Small form factor but serious performance. This is going to be my daily driver for now. There are a number of equipments that I have to buy. I have to get a drone, I have to get a couple of lenses. Eventually I will. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and then please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.
Like it when you wanna tag. Come on over, make me mad.